Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today we are located just a 10-minute drive from the stunning town of Oria. Now Oria being a town which you've taken a lot of interest to, and obviously we've sold quite a few properties in Oria quite recently, and we see demand is very high. So this property is 10 minutes to Oria in the countryside. We're talking about a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom property with a swimming pool. Now I see a lot of properties and everything that we take on I'm a huge fan of, but I've got to say today we're seeing something truly special, something that I think all properties should aspire to be. This is a renovated property which has been done with exquisite taste, something really that I want you to watch until the end of the video because it is something very special indeed. And I know I do say that for a lot of properties, but not like this one in particular. I think this is really a level above. Now you can kind of start to see that. I do want to start the video, it might seem like a trivial thing, but just showing you the wall here that we have. So this stone wall, you can see how it's kind of capped off at the top. This kind of gives you an idea of what type of property we're talking about. They have paid a lot of attention to detail, and it is a rustic property that feels more like a piece of art than a home. But without further ado, let's start to walk inside. So as we walk inside, I can also tell you there's a lot of land with this property. We're talking about 2.6 hectares of land, and it is a large rectangle that is fenced on either side. So kind of you can see the fenced walls on either side of the land, and it kind of goes quite far along. And obviously we'll show you the back of the land as well, and I'll put up the drone to show you the kind of size of it all. Now you can see they've kind of put this little parking area to the right, so you are separate from the main house, and their main house is yet to be seen. I also like that it's kind of hidden away by the olive trees in front of it, so we're kind of still to reveal the property which we're showing you. And again, I love this feel of just quite, left to its own means, and it's kind of not perfect. The renovation has been done incredibly well, picking out what should be painted and redone and what should just be left as is. So you can start to see the profile of the property here. It is absolutely beautiful. It's got that natural distressed look, which is all kind of as they found the property. So I'm so glad that they managed to keep it this way, and you'll see this is a theme which runs throughout the house and just makes it feel so authentic and just gives it a charming feel. I mean, it just feels magical, this place, just being here. And obviously you can see it's very peaceful and you don't have neighbours overlooking the property, but just the look of the face of it in itself is incredible to see. Now we're talking about 140 square metres of property here, so it's actually a really good size. And we do also have a swimming pool over there which we'll probably end up finishing on, so I'll show you that closer in detail. But I'm sure you're all incredibly curious to see the inside. Just before we go inside, look at this corner, just the table and the chairs, the choice of table, the choice of chairs, the doors that enter into the agrumeto back there, even the fact that they're not perfectly restored, and they're kind of, it adds something to this property again, and it's just the taste that the owners have had in doing this renovation and choosing where to kind of renew things but where to keep the original, that really gives it that upper level. So as we start to walk inside, this is the main entrance. And you can see this property is really, it's a feast for the eyes. We were just looking forward to filming the video tour of this property because it's so beautiful. There's so much to show you and to kind of talk about. I mean, from the stunning ceilings that we've got here, these are star vaulted ceilings, very nice and tall. And this is your living lounge area. I mean, this is a huge living space. Again, I've been saying this quite a lot recently. I know you guys are all looking for more living space in homes, and you can see this is massive. And we've also got a beautiful fireplace, which is fully functional as well. And that is an original fireplace from the original property. So very beautiful to have. Now this is a property that can be lived in all year round. We do have radiators in here, and I can already hear in the questions that everyone's going to be asking, does the furniture come with it? So the asking price is always without furniture included, but obviously there are talks that you can have once you get into the negotiation phase if you did want all the furniture. Because I think the taste, again, even with the furniture, is what they've picked. I wouldn't want to change an absolute thing. I kind of want to keep every unit if I could. So I'm sure there'll be talks about that. But let's start to the other thing I haven't mentioned actually before we move forward. Look at the floors. These are stunning, beautiful floors here. And again, everything kind of fits in incredibly well. It looks like we've just entered a design magazine and we're now part of a stage. But I assure you, this is a fully livable home. And I also like the fact that it's actually a very practical home to live in. You've got tons of light coming into this property. It's not a property which, looks nice, but it's kind of dark. It's got tons of windows and also doors that access directly from the outside. So here we've got a bedroom and a bathroom behind me. So bedroom and ensuite bathroom. And you can see all the light. Here you can come in directly from the outside. So if you have guests maybe on this side, you can have them directly come into this side. And then as we walk through, as I say, the practicality of this home, we're not ducking, we're not kind of weaving through a small home. Look at this bathroom. I mean, look at the details on these, on the side of the wall here, and this kind of goes into the stone and the different types of stone and textures. I mean, it is truly stunning. I feel very, very proud to be able to present this type of a property. You've got a beautiful size window here with beautiful views. And look at the two cacti. I mean, they really haven't left anything unthought of. And again, I think it's something we can all kind of aspire to when we're doing renovations of this kind. So you've got a beautiful size shower here. And again, we've got radiators which are connected to a gas tank, which is positioned in the land. Again, I love what they've chosen in terms of fixtures. I think it is all just incredibly high level of taste. And again, beautiful ceilings in every room in this property. So very nice. And this is a really good size room as well. I mean, all the rooms here are a very good size. And again, 140 square meters of property. It's not often that we're showing homes of this size, which are so livable, perfect for a family that want to kind of come to a beautiful property in Puglia. And another thing I want to mention, look at the level difference. So you'll see this in a few of the other rooms as well. So here the kind of ceiling drops down and you've got this kind of barrel vaulted ceiling here, which also allows you to access the back of the home. And then this kind of leads you down to yet another really good sized bedroom on this side. And you can see, again, star vaulted ceilings, beautiful floors throughout the home. It is just kind of ticks all the boxes that people are looking for when they're looking for properties like this. And I haven't even mentioned, it does even have air conditioning. So I know a lot of you like to have your air conditioning, especially in the summertime. As you can see, similar setup to the other side. We've got an ensuite bathroom here, very nice fixtures again, same theme running throughout, but then a really good sized shower here as well. So the bathrooms are not small by any means. We do also have a little skylight of sorts up above here. So you've got little cute features dotted around the house. Again, I'm a huge fan of this property, probably one of the nicest we've ever taken on. So as we walk back, I just want to briefly see if I can show you just the behind, because I know you all remain curious when we don't show some parts of the property. So just opening up here, you can see this is the behind of the property here, and you can see you've got a little area out here. There's obviously a little table and chair that you could put even on this side to kind of keep separate from the main house. But as you can see, the majority of the house unfolds on that side, as you've got the majority of the land as well. So coming back through, we're coming back into this beautiful sitting room, and you've got this little kind of dining area, but I mean, it's not really necessary because we do actually have an incredible dining room. And this is arguably one of my favorite rooms in the house, and you'll see why. Look at the level difference of the ceiling. The ceiling drops down again. You've got these beautiful star vaulted ceilings. So you've got this like cozy feel in here, and it kind of feels like, you've gone into like a cave almost part of the home. You can see beautiful fireplace, again, fully functional fireplace, absolutely huge. And these would have been obviously at the core of the home where the kitchen was. This is where people were doing their cooking. And you feel the history in this property. So incredibly picturesque. And you'll think, well, where's the kitchen? The kitchen is just through here. And you can see even this, I love what they've done with the kitchen. There's definitely a very like cottage farm vibe to this property which they've got going on. But look at the large windows. These windows are huge. They're beautiful windows. You do also have the anti-mosquito netting on there as well, but just very nicely done, just quite simple, but very in theme with the property itself. I'll kind of move myself out of the way here to kind of give you a bit of shot, and you can kind of see the little lamps. It's just, for me, again, like, we don't often come across properties like this, and we know this is going to be incredibly popular, and I wish we had 10 others, but they are very rare around these parts. Also, especially because not many people have this level of taste when they're renovating a property, and also experience, because it is not the first that these owners have done. So as we walk through, you can see again tons of lights coming in here. We've got a level difference in the ceiling. So again, here we are, barrel vaulted ceilings. I love all of this. It just makes the house feel incredibly interesting at all times, and kind of makes you think of these boxy homes, and you look at them in a different way after you've seen this home. So here we actually have a very useful bathroom, which is more dedicated to the majority of people who come into the house, which maybe don't want to go through the bedrooms. And we do also have a good size technical room here, which also has the washing machine. I kind of hear a lot of the comments, where's the washing machine? Well, there's the washing machine, so you don't have to guess. Now, as we walk through here, we come through to another bedroom, and this is the largest of them all. You can see we've got incredible ceilings. What a stunning bedroom. Look at these beautiful star vaulted ceilings. The floors, again, they are immaculate all throughout the house. And again, so much light pouring into this. This is really my ideal home because it's got the history, but it's also a very practical home to live in. It looks incredible and feels even better. So, I mean, I can't stress enough, if you can make a trip out here, definitely do. But if you can't, obviously, we've got a lot of clients making offers online now, and I can understand that may well be the case for this property here. So coming in finally, we've got another bathroom here, and this is the largest bathroom of them all. Again, incredible size. We do have a bath here as well. We've got barrel vaulted ceilings in this part here. And again, I just love everything that they've kind of done, from the texture of the walls. I mean, the details, I could speak about this property for hours and I wouldn't scratch the surface of what there is to be said. I love the furniture that they've picked, but I know it's obviously going to be something of an optional. And then we've got toilet here, dual sinks, and I can't stress it enough. It is so important to me, and it should be for all of you. The windows in bathrooms, this big. This is really incredible to have. The house feels airy. The house feels amazing to just walk around. You just feel a very good feeling. And obviously picturesque views from outside as well. Very nice to have. So incredible size. Look at the doorways. I'm not ducking at all. And there's just this feeling of, I've got tons of space. This is a place I'd really want to wake up in. Now we have actually got the outside parts here. So also nice. So this actually all folds open, so you actually have all of this that opens up, and you can imagine walking out in the morning and you've just kind of got this beautiful little agrumeto here. So this is where they have the trees here that's kind of protected from the wind. This is where they would have the orange trees and the lemon trees, and you can see them scattered around here. But look how picturesque this space is. And we do have a little bit of wind today, and you can feel that this area here in particular is protected. Now we're just starting of spring here, so you're kind of seeing this property not at its best, but regardless, it still looks stunning. I can imagine what it's going to look like when all the flowers are kind of out in blooming. But you can also see on a day like today, little table and chair here, you can imagine having your coffee in the morning and just kind of taking in the sun. This is truly a dream home. And you know, we always kind of use the word dream home, dream home. I mean, I think this, you can kind of see, is very much on a different level to pretty much most of what I see in Puglia. There's a lot of stuff on the market which I believe is also overpriced and kind of carbon copies of one another, which is quite sad to see. So it really is beautiful to see that we've still got original properties that are having this type of a treatment with their renovation. Now these two doors are actually two storage rooms, so we don't actually have the keys to these, but it is, as I say, just two storage rooms. But we'll kind of walk out now as we go back round to the front of the property. You can see this is where we entered. Just kind of want to show you the swimming pool area. And just with all the grass and these beautiful little flowers that have kind of bloomed out, all of these yellow petals showing, it kind of feels like we're really in a little piece of paradise. You can see here we've got this swimming pool here as well. So again, all is fully functional and ready to be used. I can't say that enough. I know you're all kind of against doing work if you can avoid it. This has everything ready to go. You could potentially come and stay in the property immediately. Now I know you're going to be asking me questions about this. This is actually an old water container which did contain water in the past, and they just thought, you know, why don't we keep it? It's not really in use at the moment, but it's again a nice feature. And I kind of want to finish with the shot of the house in the background. What a beautiful place. I think, again, you'll all agree, one of the nicest homes we've taken on. Really is inspiring to see that this is what can be created with properties of this kind. I haven't even mentioned there's security cameras, alarm system, all of these things that you'd expect. We also have an artesian well here, so for services you're covered between the gas for the central heating and the artesian well for the water. You don't need to worry about anything. Truly a beautiful place. I think I've pretty much said everything I needed to say. I'm sure I could have another 20 minutes just talking about the details here and there, but that is the main part of this property, and I think you'll all agree it is incredible. But if you have any more questions on this property or any of the others, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and thank you very much for watching.